I guess those are going to be the more serious.
Then I got beat. I'm the one got beat up. So I had 2 black guys in the factory.
You know what? We're gonna put you in timeout like we
Yes, sir.
had to when we were kindergarten.
Yes, I'm sorry. I'm sorry, sir. I'm sorry.
Don't do that.
Yes, I'm sorry.
Which case carries with it the most punishment?
Judge, there's been a couple of times where we've gone through this, and one of these cases is mislabeled.
Okay.
He has a failure to register as a sex offender. One of the theft state jails is actually a registration offense. And that and the assault public servants carry the highest punishment.
Over here.
Yes, sir.
God bless you.
I want to speak to you, sir, because you fired him like 5 times on his field.
It's good to see you.
Yes, sir.
All right. We've got 22 cases here.
Yes, sir.
Okay, we got to take them.
So, yes, sir. Go my bad. Go ahead, Judge. My bad. Go ahead. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So we got to be deliberate here.
Yes, sir.
That's a lot. And like I've said before, this is the most cases any defendant has ever had before me since I've been here for almost 20 years.
Yes, sir.
Which is not the kind of prize you want to win, you know?
Right.
So it's hard enough to fix one. Now you've got 22, and those need to be deliberate, responsibly dealt with.
Yes, sir.
All right. You've got a bunch of thefts here, and then evading arrest, another theft.
I never debated with them, sir. Go my bad.
This is what we're charged with.
Yes, sir. Yes,
This
sir.
is in the trial.
Yes, sir.
It's in the debate. Okay. Then two assaults of public servants. I guess those are going to be the more serious.
Then I got beat. I'm the one got beat up. So I had 2 black guys in the factory.
You know what? We're gonna put you in timeout like we had to when we were kindergarten.
Yes, I'm sorry. I'm sorry, sir. I'm sorry.
Don't do that.
Yes, I'm sorry.
Judge, let me correct the one that is mislabeled. It's cause number 41332. That is not a state jail theft.
What is it?
Failure to register.
As what?
Sex offender.
Okay, the most serious cases, I guess, are assaults of public servant.
Along with
Is that
the
the-
registration offense.
And
Those are all
what's the degree punishment for those?
third.
They're third degrees. Okay, so you got, oh boy,
That's Miss Bob.
Miss Bob, my God bless her.
Feel the spirit.
Yeah.
Feeling something. Yeah, that's Miss Bob. I'll add some things. For the
Did you, was she doing that? Hey, Henry, was she doing that earlier?
No, sir.
No. Wow.
I don't even know what it is.
She's got to run out of gas soon. You just lose your voice.
Hey,
You got
no,
no-
And I got the South Africa. I got him. He retired. I got him suspended for 30 days for him not feeding me. March 2022. I got the grievance number and everything. I'm
Last
trying to
year?
give it to him. I'm trying to give it to him so he can pull the grievance.
Wait, last year?
Yes, sir. 2022. And then
Oh, that's 2 years ago.
yes, and then March. Then June the 6th. I come in from rent. He took off a commissary myself. So I went to the front in the day room. I said, I said, please call rank, sir. He ain't call rank. He picked me up, hit me out. The government said hit me over 100 times in the face. Him and Biggs. Lieutenant Ford had to come pull up the boss.
What happened? Did they send you to the hospital?
No, sir. I had 2 black guys that fractured jaw.
Hmm.
I had 2 black guys.
Fractured jaw?
Yes, sir. My jaw was fractured.
How, did it like heal itself over
Yes,
time?
sir. Yes, it's not. If I know if I open my mouth over 30 seconds, while I can't get pop out of place, nigga talk about I talk to. I ain't even saw nobody. I beat his arm because he and I first.
Well,
He been out with right.
here's the deal,
Yes,
is
sir.
that, the grand jury
Yes, sir.
indicted you.
Yes, sir.
They heard some evidence.
Yes, sir.
On the other side of the coin, are you, right now, are you guilty or not guilty? Not guilty.
Right, not
because of the presumption of innocence.
Right.
Okay,
I call it.
you got that going for you.
Yes, sir. Criminal episode.
Let me look at these assaults here, what we're looking at, because they seem to be the most serious.
She got it.
What,
Got the codes on here.
Henry, where, are you still living on 15th?
Yes, sir. I got some codes on here, some legal work. It's clean. Okay. Thank you, my brother. Let's see.
Oh, you got your notes?
Yes,
All
bro.
right, I was wondering, they want to take any chances. here, man.
Go check that out. I got, Mr. Combat, that's what I call Mr. Combat. And I got cases, my log numbers on there. I got dumped on by the mouth.
You bit, it says you bit an officer on the arm.
Yeah, and he hit me in the eye. He hit me. I was handcuffed, sir. He hit me now until my leg go to the fence. I jumped up when the yank go up off the ground.
And
I was sitting down.
the other one here is you kicked the officer in the legs and the groin.
No, that's a lie.
That's gotta sting.
That's a lie, sir. That's a lie. I never kicked him. That's a lie. He trying to cover that Jones. He said I kicked him. I
Yeah.
never kicked him. He hit me over in the cell 100 times. I had 2 black eyes and a fractured jaw. And I told mom and dad to call you to see if I turned affairs, showing you the picture that Lieutenant Wolf posted, took a picture of me and sent to a turn affairs, and turn affairs report sent the picture to you. And then that go by
Okay,
the room.
here's what you, how long have you been in jail now?
21 months this month, sir.
21.
21 I got cancer, everything, sir.
Yeah,
I got cancer. My dad fight prospect. They had many strokes. I've been locked up. He had many strokes, and my dad fight prospect cancer. So if I get I swear, if I come back, you can.
how are they treating you on the prostate cancer? What are they giving you?
No, my dad fight prospect cancer. I'm
Oh,
telling you,
it's your dad.
if I come back for you, you let me go home, they say if I come back for you, give me 25 life. Now sign it right now. I agree. I'll take 25 life. I'll come back for
It's
you.
not the, nah, you can't be making deals with me. You gotta go through the
I'm not
process.
coming back. I'm telling you, I got my life. I'm gonna go back. I'm gonna take advantage of the Joe Biden grant and go to school.
So, how do we want to deal with Henry so that he can move on with his life one day?
Judge,
He's been found competent, I'm pretty sure, Judge.
that's a while back. But Judge, I did give Mr. Green the offer of the 5 years TDCJ on the 2 solid public services.
Well, how much does he,
But he's saying that he won't.
how much does he have credit for?
He did tell me he would take time served. Did he tell me he would take time served?
You take time, sir. Yes, sir. Time. I'm not guilty.
406 days. How long it's been?
What was the
He
offer?
did tell me he would take time served on
What
all
one?
these cases.
What was the offer?
Oh, I'm sorry, Judge.
Yeah, nobody told me.
I'm sorry. The offer in this case that I gave to him was on death cases, probation 2/5 plus restitution to be determined in the probation.
Where are you gonna, if you were released, where are you gonna work so that you can pay some of this loss back?
My brother, president of the Port Authority, sir. My brother, president, and he been working there since 9/5. My brother, President Benjamin Green. You could bump pay my other brother.
How much would he pay you?
I make $20-some an hour, and plus I got a 7 on the way. I had a 7 part of the rest. Look at it, I got 2 in my head. You see that right there, leg in my head, sir?
Oh, yeah. Did
Got 2 in
Mr.
my-
Kimler do
I got
that?
tumors in my head, my leg, and my chest, sir. Oh, Jesus Christ. I need to get back. I went to Galveston when I got out last time to the emergency room. I went back, they told me about with an appointment, and they probably got me biopsy so I could find what kind of cancer I have. Like
And how did you get hurt?
cancer. I had to fall, but my
You
lawyer,
fell
yes,
while
sir.
you were at work?
No, sir. At the restaurant, my lawyer took me for $1,000,000. And that been that March 2021, 17. March
So,
17
where did you fall?
at a restaurant in Port Arthur.
So what did you slip on? Did you slip on something?
It was the water, the floor
Oh.
was wet and it was greasy. I slipped and fell. I tried to grab a trash can, but I slipped and fell. I fell on my back, in my head every time. Hard as something.
So what's the offer that y'all,
I'm sorry, Judge.
yeah, let's get back to that. See, practically, what was it?
Judge, it's the issue is that we've offered TDC time on
Well,
some of
what-
his higher charges. However, there would be a consecutive probation where he would be put on probation after he was released and
So he
have to
paid
pay his
the-
restitution
Restitution.
because it's a mixed bag of everything, and we got to,
Well, so
accomplish
no,
two different.
what's the flat time?
Flat time was 5 years TDCJ, and he told me he wouldn't take that on.
Well, he's almost done it now, hasn't he? I mean, he's
Quite close.
he's almost fulfilled that. And then we could get him, I don't know how, you may have to spend a little more time, but that's not for us to decide, but it sounds like you're eligible probably toward parole. Then the other agreement that they would put you on probation for a period of time so that you can get the money to pay back for restitution, working or whatever it is you're going to be able to get them. And on cases like that, once people pay the restitution, I terminate the probation.
Yes, sir.
Once we get the restitution, there's no reason to keep you on probation.
I pay that right. I take probation, pay it off. So my lawyer told me so I get out. I check I'm on the phone.
Well, you don't have the money with you right now.
He reports everything from that day. He go write my check to me. It's supposed to be $50,000. Yes, sir.
Are these affirmative? There are no affirmative findings on these assault on peace officers. So he gets paroled in a quarter of his time, right? On
Correct.
5 years, a quarter of a time.
He's eligible.
He's
His eligible is good time, his flat time equal 25%. That's just eligible.
and he's been 22 months.
He was probably already.
See, he'd probably be-
He ought to be eligible.
You need to think about that. You'd probably be eligible for release on those, then put you on probation, get you out.
I'm not
And
guilty, sir.
once you pay, well, that's important. Yeah, you'd have to admit that. You can't do it. All right.
They beat me up. And then I got, he retaliated on me. That's a felony. On I was
I
retaliating on
don't see
him.
that.
It's a felony retaliating on him. I got the grievance number right here. Look.
No, you don't. I don't have that. That's not filed against you.
Listen, I got the grievance number right here. I got John suspended. This is the
Hey.
grievance number.
Hold
I give him the full agreements.
on,
Months
Tex.
ago, he ain't doing that
Hold on.
for me, man.
That's not on here. That's not what you have. That's not been indicted. You hadn't been indicted for that.
Assault officer, they have been indicted for 2 assault
Two
officers.
assaults.
And that Jones one assault.
You were talking about something else.
I'm talking about Jones. He assaulted me that day. I got him suspended for not feeding me.
So,
He's saying
He retaliated.
He was retaliated.
he was the victim.
Yeah, I'm the victim. I'm a victim of retaliation.
Well,
And
have they filed that on somebody?
my wrist, man. I was in handcuffed for 14 hours back then.
Oh,
In March 2019.
okay.
And the rap for 14 hours.
Here, we're not getting much done now.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I understand things. Here's what we're going to do is the assaults on public servants, we'll just set those for trial. That's what we have to do if we can't work it out. We'll get these things as soon as possible, and the others are just going to have to wait. But we'll get it for trial, okay?
Yes,
That's
sir.
all we can do.
Yes, sir. Check how big your new lawyers.
Yeah, no, Langston Adams is a very fine lawyer.
You fired him like
You can hire anybody you want.
you fired him 5 times ago. You fired him literally 5
I
times
didn't
ago.
fire him.
I'm on
No,
look at the paperwork. You fired him 5 times. You know this. It was here 5
I'm sorry.
You fired like that. In fact, this is the cans. I told you that.
The way it works is that once you have an appointed lawyer, the indigent commission says that you have to keep that lawyer unless good cause is shown to replace him. And Mr. Adams is a very vigorous advocate for his clients.
Hey,
I know that.
You can look at the paperwork. 5 times I looked for you. I see you jot down your paperwork. You told me you can hire me a new lawyer. You say you
I'm not going to hire anybody.
and this came out your mouth. You said you're gonna hire me a new lawyer, and I'll be back in your court. I'll be back in your court faster
Why would I do that?
because we were getting along. We not getting along. He not doing nothing for me, man.
Just because you don't
He
get
not doing
along?
nothing for me. In fact, this is the council.
Look, this isn't a date
I know.
and you're not married to somebody.
It's in fact.
This isn't a divorce.
I feel like he not doing nothing for me. He not doing nothing for me.
I know him to be very vigorous advocate. But you're in jail when he's doing the work for you.
He didn't even let me see the tape. He didn't even let me see the side officer tape. He didn't even see the side officer tape.
His mama and dad were in my office and we watched the video of the incident. And I.
Well, he wasn't there because he was in jail.
He was,
Exactly.
Okay.
but the mom
Well-
and dad was in my office.
Hey, let me see. Why you let me see? Why you let me do the camera? Why you let me do the tape on? You ain't doing nothing for me, man.
All right. Well, I'm going to set these assaults for trial, okay, and get those as soon as possible. That is all, Henry.
He just told me he want to be off my case before I came in here.
Come on, Parker.
He just told me he gonna be off my case.
He may not enjoy representing you, but that's not the test. You can hire anybody you want.
I got one of the best.
What do you, and you got the other one. Yeah, yeah.
Langston is the
All
other
right.
one. Places.
What else do you have here? Langston. Right, Carl Chopin.
Greg,
What are we doing on?
Greg here, and I'm trying to voice over question about it. Chopin.
Chopin. It says Chopin, but it's
It has a
Chopin.
B on it.
Chopin was a great,
Yeah, that's an I.
I had two black guys in the factory.
You know what?
folks.